Hey guys, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And do you know what time it is? It's Scentsy Whiff Box time. Yes. Now let me tell you. All right. It's heavy. What does that tell me? There's probably laundry or clean in here, and I am here for it. Give it to me. So you pay $30, but you get a ton of stuff. And it's well over the price of $30. So you're like totally saving money. So I am so excited to open this up. I didn't get last month, and I'm so sad because it came with a warmer, and the warmer's like $25 in our catalog, and the whole thing was $30, and I missed out. I didn't miss out this time though. So let's go ahead and open it. I am so excited. So if you don't know what a whiff box is, first of all, let's get you dialed in. What is a whiff box? Well, my friends, a whiff box is a subscription box. It's basically like an Ipsy or a Bark box or whatever. And so you don't know what's in it. It's always a surprise, and every month it's different. And you get full size and sample size products, and it's always the value is always well over $30, which is what you pay for it. And if you have a Scentsy Club and you put it in there as your half price item, once you hit $60 in your Scentsy Club, you can get this whole thing for $15. Yes, 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 yes. The only reason why I don't do that is because Scentsy Club runs towards the end of the month. And then by the time I get it, like the month's over, and I'm like, dang. So I spend the full price, which still isn't bad, and I get my whiff box. So I am so excited. And you can order this every month in your Scentsy Club, or you can even gift one. You can send one to someone, and it's amazing. All right, so, ooh, I'm already liking it. Okay, I just love, okay, first of all, I'm extra. I don't know if you could tell, but Scentsy's extra too. Look at them with their own, like, really nice bags of air. They're like, we need our own air. This is like Scentsy air. It probably smells phenomenal. So, Scentsy has their own air. Okay, I love this because this already tells me that it's a make a splash type of thing, because here's the graphics for Make a Splash. That little ginger mermaid guy. How cute is he, right? So I don't want to read what's in here because I want to see what's in here. So let's do this. All right, so, oh, we get one of these. I like these. It's a Swedish dishcloth, and it has mermaids on it, like kind of vintagey mermaids. It has the dude on there, the ginger guy. How cute is that? Ooh, oh, I'm so excited. I'm about to cough. Hold on. I got so excited I have to cough. Get it together, Vicki. This is like the cue for that, what is it? SpongeBob, 1 hour later. Okay, I got it. All right, so I'm super excited because I just finished my dish soap yesterday. I even like put water in it, shook it up, and dump it in my dishes. I thought I had more and I didn't. So I'm so excited. It's Cloudberry Dreams, and I needed this. So thank you, Scentsy. I needed this. Okay, bathroom cleaner. And I have not used this scent, and I've been wanting to. And it's the Coastal Sunset Bathroom Cleaner. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so here for this. I'm so here for this. I have not tried any of the clean products in that scent. And then, here we go. I have the Counter Clean in Make a Splash. Okay. I am so here for this. I am so here for this. This is a great box, you guys. I'm loving it. Okay, I'm loving this. And then I got a bar of Hey Tiger Lily, which is the scent of the month, and I actually really like it. It's floral, which is normally not my bag. but there's a sweetness like citrus. Get it together. Whoosa. Okay, has a citrus element to it that I am here for. I am loving. You guys, what a cool box. And then I'm excited about this because Scentsy used to use purple in their boxes, which I love. I love the purple, but the brown is my jam. I pay good money for this at the 99-cent store. And now it comes free in my Whiff box. Don't think I'm not going to reuse this big amount of grass, because I am. Because that's the kind of girl I am. So let's recap. Okay. We got Make a Splash Counter Clean. I have not tried the clean products in that scent, and I'm excited. Okay. And we have the Cloudberry Dreams dish soap, which I'm excited about because I just ran out. And yeah, I was kind of panicking because I go, I don't want to go buy Dawn or any of that. I don't use that. I'd have to like use it until my Scentsy came. Now I don't have to because I have dish soap. Bathroom cleaner in Coastal Sunset. And I'm so excited because I have never tried clean in this scent either. So yay. And then a bar of Hey Tiger Lily, which I think is so awesome. That's the scent of the month. And then this cool Swedish dishcloth. I need to try this. How cute is that? I'm going to try it with my dishes. I have some dishes to do. Usually I throw almost everything in the dishwasher, but like the pots and pans. Well, I don't want to use this on pots and pans and stain it. Ah, no, this is for dishes alone and cups. But I'm definitely going to use this. It's really cute. So let's see what this is. Let's go ahead and open it now that I just don't like it to ruin my surprise. Okay, so Make a Splash. Okay. It says, we know spring cleaning can be daunting. I did it the other day. Clean my carpets. Just FYI. Okay, this is not in the Whiff box. This is not included. Okay, so I got a puppy. And we are potty training. And I have carpet. He peed all over my bedroom. Like, you try to clean it, but it's not right. And I have a Hoover carpet cleaner. And I was using the Hoover juice. And I just don't like the scent at all. It like grosses me out. It's like very chemically. And I was like, oh, I have all-purpose cleaner. So it's the concentrate. It comes in these scents as well. And so I had just about that much left. I just got a new one in Squeeze the Day. This one is lemon verbena, but I had just enough to clean my bedroom. You guys, first of all, it got up all, no matter how much you scrub, you still see the pee-pee circles, right? You still see it, and it's like, ugh. And so not only did it get the pee-pee circles up, but my room smells fresh and amazing. And so that is a tip. All-purpose cleaner. Normally I use this for my mopping, but now it's going to be used on my carpets as well. I am no longer going to buy that other stuff. This is way better. Way, 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 way better. So that is the Whiff box, you guys. Amazing Whiff box. Love, love, love. Okay, so let's go ahead and read this. We're gonna read it together. Story time. Story time. It says, we know spring cleaning can be daunting. If you're not the type to get excited about vacuuming and organizing, you're not alone. Good, I'm not alone. Use this checklist to help you tackle some of those tricky areas that tend to get neglected. Use your Scentsy clean products to freshen up for a new season. I love this, Scentsy. Okay, I like this. So they give you a spring cleaning checklist. I'm going to have to recreate this for my customers because I love this. Okay, so junk drawer. Get rid of the things you don't need and organize the things you do. I feel attacked. I feel attacked. I feel attacked. Baseboards. Dust and disinfect. Again, I feel attacked. Bathroom fixtures. Okay. Yes. All right. I do that. Get rid of those stubborn soap scum. Okay. And that you use the bathroom cleaner. Okay. Spray, let sit, and then wipe. Good to go. Kitchen backsplash. Scrub the splatters away. You know what I noticed that I have in my kitchen? I thought my kitchen was clean until I looked at my bottom cabinets below my sink and below my microwave. We need to add that to the list with counter clean. I was like, oh, I didn't even notice that. I was like, that's kind of nasty. Vicky, get it together. Window blinds. Again, I feel attacked. I got to clean my window blinds. Counter clean or dish soap with a rag, okay? Open the windows, let the stale air out and the fresh air in. I love it. Try a new Scentsy bar to fill your life with fragrance this spring. Oh my gosh, Scentsy, this is a great box. I'm loving this, and now I have all these ideas of cool bundles I can make for my peeps. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know I got off on a tangent, but I was just kind of jazzed about this box. This was a really good box. All right, you guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.